Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben. My name's Ben and this is my allotment. I first got into gardening when my dad took on an allotment which is just across from me about 20 years ago. I used to help my dad on his plot, learning everything that he did, and when I turned 18 I thought, why am I helping my dad when I can have my own plot down here? So that's what I did. I applied and I got my first allotment and I've been here ever since and I love every minute of it. So I first got into gardening with Ben around 3 years ago. I was just blogging for myself on how well my crops have grown when I planted them, how successful they are. And little did I know that people would start following my blog, and ever since then it seems to have taken off really well. Since people started following me and following how things are happening on my allotment, I thought I needed to start providing more information for the people that were following me, because they wanted to know how to plant things, when to plant things. So I developed the plant index, and it shares tips and advice on how to plant vegetables. I also provide videos and tutorials. Every month I share with people what needs to be planted, when it needs to be planted, and how it needs to be planted. Obviously the gardening season is from January to December. You can plant stuff all year round. Every month as well I send out a newsletter sharing the tips and advice and directing them to my videos. Throughout the year I'm going to have different merchandise available for people to purchase, and also for them to suggest what different things people want, whether it be for the garden, whether it be for the allotment, or whether it be for the home, so that they can be joining in with my live videos, what I do, and through my tutorials as well. I'm only a message away. If you ever need to ask me anything, just feel free to get in touch with me. I do love engaging with people, and that's the best thing I've got from doing all my live videos, that I'm actually talking to the people and people are asking me questions there and then. I still class myself as an amateur gardener. You're always learning new things all the time. There's different ways, different methods, different tips, and people share with one another how they've done things and what their problems were and how they've succumbed to them. So you can follow me on my social medias, which are on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, which you can subscribe to, and they are all Gardening with Ben. I also have my own website which you can go and visit, which is www.gardenandallotment.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.